Millions of Americans switched to working from home during the pandemic, and for some, the change was permanent. But what should you do if your home business conflicts with the rules of your HOA? Well, the Colorado Springs woman that you're about to hear from has been dealing with just such a conflict for months, and her experience gives a lesson to all Colorado homeowners about new state resources that can help. Music plays an important role in Stacy Gery's life.
I started when I was 6, so I've been playing for a long time.
But playing piano as a career was an unexpected change that came as a result of a bad car accident.
In the recovery from my brain injury, it was a long, arduous struggle.
She worked with the Small Business Development Center to begin teaching children's piano lessons part-time from her home. She filled out all the right paperwork, took out an insurance policy, and received the blessing of the HOA board at the time.
I don't have any children of my own, so my piano students become my kids. And taking away my piano business was not only trying to take away my livelihood and the business I had worked so hard to create, but it was also taking away my kids.
In August, her next-door neighbor, the one who shares a wall with Stacy's unit, told her she had to stop. That neighbor is also the president of the HOA.
The HOA board, along with the management company, created a new home business policy that prohibits any clients coming on the premises for business purposes.
Stacy didn't know where to turn, so after some time Googling, she found the Colorado HOA Information and Resource Center.
Our goal is to help educate so that the party, whatever position that they're in, understands what their rights and responsibilities are.
The center falls under the state's Department of Regulatory Agencies, but does not have regulatory authority.
We are not an advocacy group, and we're not allowed to provide legal advice by statute. We are able to help people understand what their next steps might be, though.
This is the new House bill that was passed.
For Stacy, that meant studying Colorado's HOA law.
I have read these documents in and out and trying to understand what they mean.
And all that reading paid off.
So homeowners need to receive notice in advance of the agenda to be discussed. They are allowed to attend these meetings and allowed to make their voices heard on whatever is on the agenda. And our board and management company absolutely did not do that.
She shared her discovery with her neighbors and even circulated petitions asking them to overturn the new home-based businesses rule and to recall the 2 sitting board members. And Diane, under Colorado's HOA laws, those petitions don't really carry much weight legally, but they do show that her neighbors support her business, or at least oppose this new regulation that was created. I did reach out to the HOA management company more than a week ago. I haven't heard back yet. Stacy has yet to have a formal hearing with the board about her alleged violation, although the annual HOA board meeting coming up on Tuesday. So we'll let you know what happens next.
We'll know one way or another this week for sure.
Yeah, those annual meetings, that's usually when they elect officers to their board. So we'll see what happens.
Glad.